Hi, I'm Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to set up a new PC. So here is your new computer. Now we're going to show you how to set it up for the first time. First, we're going to unload the contents of the bag. Keyboard and cords, monitor, wireless adapter, important paperwork, and the computer tower. So next, we're going to open the contents of the bag. So let's move some of this stuff to the side. So you can rip or cut the bag open. So the first thing to come out is the keyboard, the mouse, video cable, and then two power cables. So next, we'll grab the PC tower and put that in our workspace. Then, go ahead and locate one of the two power cables. Go ahead and unwrap it. You're going to want to line up the shapes, and it will fit in just like so. So with the power cable connected, we're going to move the monitor off here to the side. Now we're going to connect the power cable to the monitor. So grab the monitor and put that in the center of our workstation. So we're going to go ahead and locate the last power cable and unwrap that. So gently tilt the monitor, lining up the shapes, and insert like so. So next, we're gonna have to organize our workspace. So I'm gonna face the monitor to the front of the PC. And then we're gonna grab the VGA video cable and unwrap that. So now that we got the VGA video cable out of the plastic, we're gonna take one end and connect it to the PC tower. Conveniently, they made it color coordinated, so it's easy to spot. You want to tighten them down, but not too tight. Now we're going to connect the other end of the cable into the monitor. Locate the blue VGA port on the monitor and connect. So now we can connect the mouse and keyboard to the PC tower. Let's go ahead and start with the keyboard. So you'll grab the end of the keyboard and plug it in to one of these empty ports. So next, we'll grab the mouse and do the exact same process. And then take the connection right next to the keyboard. So now we're at the point that we can open the wireless adapter from the box. I happen to have an open one already right here. So on the front of the computer, go ahead and find an open USB port and insert your wireless adapter. The last step, connect the PC tower and the monitor to the wall outlet. So we're finally ready to turn on your new PC. Locate the power button, push it, and you may have to turn on your monitor. It'll take a few seconds to load, and then you'll be ready to walk through the Windows 10 installation steps. At this point, you can follow the instructions on the screen to finish setting up your Windows 10 PC.